Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to increase TikTok followers. Growing your presence on TikTok requires a strategic approach. We will cover understanding the platform's algorithm, creating content that truly connects with your viewers, and maintaining a consistent posting schedule. These foundational steps are crucial for anyone looking to expand their reach and build a thriving community on the platform, helping you achieve significant growth. To truly capture attention, focus on crafting highly engaging content. Leverage trending sounds and popular hashtags to significantly boost your video's discoverability. Aim for concise videos, ideally between 7 and 15 seconds, as these often perform best. Crucially, incorporate a strong hook within the first 3 seconds to immediately grab your audience's interest and encourage them to watch until the very end. Engagement and consistency are vital for sustained growth. Actively interact with comments on your videos and engage with other creators to foster a strong community. Posting at optimal times, when your specific audience is most active, can dramatically increase your views. For consistent growth, aim to publish at least 1 to 3 high-quality posts every single day, keeping your audience consistently entertained and engaged. Finally, continuously analyze and optimize your strategy. Use TikTok's built-in analytics to gain insights into your audience's demographics and viewing habits. Identify which of your videos are performing best and understand why, then replicate those successful elements. Don't be afraid to experiment with various content formats and styles to discover what truly resonates with your followers, ensuring ongoing improvement and expansion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.